Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to DocuSign a Word document. This is incredibly useful when you need to get contracts, agreements, or important forms signed quickly without the hassle of printing, scanning, or mailing physical documents. Let's jump right in and get this done. First, open your web browser and navigate to DocuSign.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign into your account using your login credentials. Make sure you're using the correct account that has access to the documents you need signed. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top toolbar where you'll find several options. Click on Agreement. This section is where you'll manage all your document signing processes and is the starting point for sending out new documents for signature. Now look at the upper left panel of your screen. You'll see a button that says Start Now. Go ahead and click on it. This action initiates the process of preparing a new document to send out for signatures, and it's where you'll upload your Word document. Next, you'll be prompted to choose how you want to add your document. Click on Upload, then select Desktop from the options that appear. This tells DocuSign that you'll be pulling the file from your computer rather than cloud storage or another location. A file browser window will pop up on your screen. Navigate to where your Word document is saved on your computer, select it, and click Open. The document will begin uploading to DocuSign. Depending on the file size, this might take a moment, so be patient while it processes. Once your document is uploaded, you'll need to add recipient information. Type in the recipient's name in the designated field. This ensures that the right person receives the document and that their signature is properly attributed. Right below that, type in the email address of the recipient. This is crucial because DocuSign will send the document to this email for them to review and sign, so double check that it's correct before moving forward. When you've entered all the recipient details, click Next in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to the document preparation stage where you can add signature fields and other required elements. Now comes the important part. In the left sidebar, you'll see various field options like signature, initials, date signed, and others. Click and drag these fields from the left panel onto the appropriate places in your Word document for each recipient. Position them carefully where you need the recipient to sign, initial, or date. This step ensures that your recipient knows exactly where to add their information. Once you've placed all the necessary fields in their correct positions, take a moment to review everything. When you're satisfied that all fields are properly positioned, click Send in the bottom right corner. Your document will now be sent to the recipient's email for their signature. And that's it. You've successfully sent your Word document through DocuSign for electronic signature. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.